What is this, Steve? What is it?
Apparently it's Canadian fries.
I never tried paninis. I like.
Where do you see panini? That's poutine.
Oh, same thing. What are those?
Oh yeah, these are my favorite fries.
Yo, what's good over here, Junior?
These are all different trucks than what we had last time, so I don't know. I'm a fan that just gets into it.
Oh, look, test of Thai.
Go up there and start dancing. It looks like a Girls thing. Huh? To go up there and be the #1 fan that's jumping around for him.
Yes! Look, that looks Puerto Rican over there.
Yeah. Pinchos.
Gyros or gyros or whatever.
Gyros. Gyros. I like the cabin.
Yo, bro. You see who?
That's racist, Phil. Alright, I guess you could have brought your dog.
I could have brought my dog.
I'm sorry, Chuck.
Yeah.
It's Hubbard Park.
Yeah, he told me I couldn't.
The last festival I went to,
broke
they
my
said
heart.
no
I had to leave my dog
outside too. Does Charlie count as a dog?
I'm sorry, guys, but I'm fucking hungry, so I'm gonna get some chompers.
No, look, they got it over there.
Crunchy balls of bacon, ground beef, and cheddar cheese with zesty ketchup.
Oh, I'm getting one of those.
The bacon cheeseburger.
How many does it come?
8 for 5.
5 balls for $8.
How many we got here? 2, 5, 7 people. So you get 2 portions. You guys want some?
You wanna? You wanna go half and half?
Bacon, chicken parm.
Right here. Huh? Wow. He keeps saying Steven. I keep turning around.
Yeah, your name's not Steven today, right? Yeah, you gotta stick to Phil today.
Whatever.
That works.
Smells good though.
What they got though?
Yo, before we leave, I wanna go to Cumberland, whatever it is, the farmland, whatever that shit is. Yeah, to get my coffee.
Is there coffee here?
Yeah, mine are free. No, I wanna. No,
$1 for a large.
yeah, that's why. You gotta go to save money.
That sounds scary. That
Yeah, there's 3 right there.
I know. You didn't see the other one? Oh yeah.
Take care of business.
Nah, bro.
Yo, I like her hair. Yeah, I respect the hair.
I didn't know there was a line. I wanna see what that is. Yeah, I wanna try what that is. I wanna see what people get.
Those 3 guys in the line.
What I told you? I told you.
Oh, we cut the line.
No. They look like you didn't have one. Cheeseburger?
Or chicken parm.
Shit. Ask him if we can get 2 of one and 3 of the other one.
Wait, what are you getting?
Bacon, I guess bacon and cheeseburger.
I'll get the other one.
Okay.
Question, can we get 3 bacon?
I guess so.
Grade 3 for $10. Yeah,
The what, bro?
I don't know.
You need more money? You want more money? I don't know.
Thank you.
Chop. Alright, bro. I gotta try one.
You want to hold one?
That's what I was saying.
What'd you get? What's this?
This is bacon and this is chicken parm.
It's
How do
not
I-
good enough.
How do I know I'm filming you right?
Oh, it's the layer is red.
Yeah, no, but how do you know you're in center? Huh? Hey, there's a Ninja Turtle over there. Right there. Good balls?
You wanna try one of my bowls, bro?
Yes. Which one you got? What's yours? Got the chicken parm. And this is the bacon cheeseburger? I'll try a bowl.
You wanna try one of my bowls?
Get this one right there.
Wanna try? It's hot.
That's good.
It's good. It's hot.
Not bad.
one is this one? The bacon.
Nelly's left the three. Yeah, sauce.
I actually like the chicken parm. Yeah.
This is amazing. Cheeseburger in a ball.
Good. You tried the chicken parm?
Boy.
How you feeling?
What's in this?
It's good, right, Sue? Chicken parm or the other one?
No, I had the other one.
Chicken parm is the best.
That's your chicken parm.
No,
I can't tell if it's beef or pork.
they're hot. Good
Raphael.
idea, so then you put a restaurant. Good idea, so you put a restaurant. I support.
Yeah.
I'll go eat every week.
The main item on the menu, strawberry cheesecake muffins.
Those are delicious.
I like them both.
I don't know which one I like better.
Chicken parm.
I kind of like them both. I don't know. I like the bacon one.
Bacon was good though.
You want the fries?
Yo, see what you want more cheese? This Tibolino eating.
Recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
They got no garbage here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Barbecue?
No garbage. Oh, look, they got those sticks with.
Yeah, I like that one right there. That's over there.
Oh, over there, bro. Let's go search. Oh, look at the one is right. Garbage over there. What else, man?
Those are pretty good.
Yeah, they're better than what I expected.
Where are we going next?
Where are we going next, Junior?
Barbecue? Let's get barbecue. They got pizzas over there.
Yeah. Might get one of those.
They got whatever gyros.
That's the same.
They got Mexican things over there. Hey, churros with Nutella over there.
Mexican hot chocolate. Yeah, it's churros with Nutella.
Yeah.
Noodles for $2.
Nah, that's last. Churros with Nutella, Junior.
What?
Churros with Nutella.
$3.
Nah, but I want to eat before, then I get a churro. Hey, why is that cabin empty? Oh, there's people don't. The one over there. With the guy in orange, is empty. That's food.
Yo, giant potato balls.
Oh, let's go get that. Junior! We accept credit cards. Yeah, look.
You probably have that thing that connects to the tablet.
Yes.
Swipe
No.
Yo, this sauce is banging too.
Zesty?
Yeah,
Ketchup.
That's not ketchup. That's
No, yours,
tomatoes.
you had the other one.
Oh.
Different sauces. You have marinara.
Yeah, I want to
Dip your
try
finger
your
in my
sauce.
sauce.
Let me dip my finger in the sauce. It's mustard, ketchup, and that's it. Where did I throw this down?
Garbage right over there.
Yo, the chicken, the gravy tastes of Thai.
Oh yeah. Yo, first Spanish family I found in this town.
Quite a lot.
Oh.
Eye contact?
What?
Eye contact?
His
ex-girlfriend.
Oh, she's your ex-girlfriend?
I want to come back to these churros, bro.
Why?
Just hoping, you know, it doesn't
What?
don't sell out.
The churros with Nutella?
Yeah.
Can't come here next.
Nah, they must come prepared, man. Look at Junior. Look at Junior. How he looks over there.
Zoom in, bro.
You can't zoom in with this. He looks so happy, and I'm not.
Yo, there's nobody listening to music. Battery critically low.
I wanted that place that Junior talked about. Remember last time?